But yeah, anybody know what's the number one marketing strategy out there right now? I'm not gonna let you look at the slides and cheat. Anybody? Huh? There isn't one. All of it works. You just got to get in front of the right person. But what I'll tell you is whatever you choose to do, you got to be consistent. You got to show up. You got to do it. I tell people pick 2 or 3. You know, hey, I'm gonna have a website and I'm gonna send direct mail. Cool, but be committed, be consistent. I'm gonna do social media ads. I'm gonna do pay per click. You know, where you go search something on Google, sell my house in Atlanta, Georgia. It's like, okay, my ad's gonna pop up right under that search when somebody search that term. Or I'm gonna have a virtual assistant in the Philippines that's gonna text list of thousands of people every day and ask them do they want to sell their house. How many people in here get text messages from random numbers saying, hey, I want to buy your house? I'm sorry. No, we haven't been doing it in Birmingham yet. But that's because, like, you think about it, it costs you like a penny to send a text message, and you can reach 1,000 people and understand all you're looking for is 1 or 2. It's like, okay, let's set the appointment. It's a numbers game. You send 1,000 text messages a day, 5 days, out of 5,000 leads, you get 10 appointments, 2 of them turn into deals. It's good. And you see what you can do. You make 30,000 a deal. That's 60,000 you made in just 1 week. If you reach out and touch enough people, and you get enough no's, and and just know when you get a no, you're closer to the next yes, and not get dismayed when you get cursed out. When you get the text message back, like, how did you get my number? And why are you texting me? And all this, like, yep, all right, we're getting closer. Have a blessed day.